Morning team, it's Monday, October 30. Time changed in Europe Sunday night, Saturday night, Sunday morning, early morning. So now it's like, I think it's like if it was a 7:18, right? But yeah, what changes now is that New York for this week only, it's gonna open 1 hour earlier. So instead of 14 SET, it's gonna be 13. So the kill zone should be from midday to 2 o'clock. Like usually it's 2 hour at the opening, so midday to 2 o'clock technically. Okay. I mean, I don't know if you care about kill zone, but it's this one. So it's a bit of busy week. I was checking also next week looks so poor. I don't know why. Why this week looks so bad? Like empty. It's not like Christmas, no? Feels like. Anyway, this week is everything. We got CPI today in Europe, FOMC, unemployment, NFP, and monthly close tomorrow. So there is something every day basically. I don't know. Yeah, we got news at half morning. Also afternoon. Okay, let's have a look at charts. This rejection, bearish, confluent with this breaker, I was expecting a reaction on a weekly level and it arrived. Okay, monthly there is not much we can say right now. We got 2 days left to close and there is like it looks like a doji, a raid. It doesn't tell me much right now. I think it's undecided net. Undecided. Well, it's not clear what they're gonna do with this. Weekly, I was expecting a reaction from this one, and if we ever get up here, I will expect another reaction from this one because it's also confluent with the weekly bearish breaker. So, reaction here arrived. You know, I always say raid without BMS, it's insignificant, and technically there is not. One second. There is not daily BMS yet, but I don't know, this inside candle feels like a order block to me and we kind of close below. I don't want to say daily trend shift bearish, but it doesn't look good to me. I'm telling you, it doesn't look good. So let's go to our charts. H12, it's pretty much like daily, but you know, this is not a swing low. Maybe on some feed it is. But it feels like, you know, it feels like a swing low to me. I mean, look at these candles. 3 candle, inside candle, finally break up, and then they instantly got broken. I don't think this is bullish, you know. The fact that we close so down, then, okay, we raid the lows of Wednesday. We pushed, and now we're getting down again. So I think this is a weak low, you know. Also, okay, this is a raid, but I see this as liquidity, to be honest. I see this as liquidity. I think stops are here. And looks to me that this is a weak low. Weak, I mean, the one that has to go. So, H1 shifted bullish, I have to recognize, but not too much. H12 and H4, they remain bearish, okay? So, if I have to stick to my trading plan, I have to say that H4 and H12 right now are bearish, so I should look for shorts, not longs right now. What shorts level you like? Yeah, this one is a pretty one. This rejection block, it's a pretty one. If we start to go a little bit lower, because it's not at all mitigated, which is kind of confluent with that bearish. Yes, this bearish H1 of the block. Can you see? Well, it's not yet another block because we didn't BMS nothing. 1 second. What I did here. What I'm doing. Yeah. So, as I said, H1 is kind of bullish. Not too much though. So Depends a little bit. If we go back down here soon, oops. If we go down here and I see some accumulation, I should be allowed to look for longs, you know, because in the end it's a valid H1 of the block. If we start to go higher, I think I should look for shorts instead. As always, it's way too early for me to take any trades. I wait Frankfurt open, but let's go to low time frame and see what M15 tell me. Yes, this untested origin is definitely capable of offer some bullish reaction, to be honest. If we ever go down back here before going up, what is going on here? Oh. If we ever go down back here and I start to see some bullish accumulation and raid BMS, I will be happy to long. I think such impulsive move of like 60 pips, it should be defended, you know. If I see something like this, we're going down, sideways, raid, BMS, I can see something like that, okay? Should be defended. At least try to be defended. I'm not saying we're gonna go to new highs, but what I want is I get my 2-3R and fuck it. So yeah, that's what I see right now. Yeah, this week was only sucks, so something is off with these feeds. Every feed is different, for fuck's sake. Anyway, yeah, I disregard this price action. Before when Friday close, it's not like significant. What is significant is this untested bearish origin on M5. And why this is significant? Because after taking these two highs, somebody here sold enough to shift M15 BMS. So right now we are in an H4 M15 bearish, you know what I mean? So the H4 M15 aligned with this one I'm talking about. Let me show you. This H4 M15 aligned with H4 down. We came back into this breaker, rejected, and H12 down, it should work out, you know. So gun to my head, I think we're gonna go to new lows. But if we get here, I will be allowed to take a long myself. Not going to hold this long, but I would like to get a long 2-3R and that's it. If we're going higher first, I'm gonna look for shorts in this area myself. I don't know about you. This is my trading plan, and yeah, sounds pretty much easy today. Not going to get involved right now if I don't see anything stupid clear, because we are in equilibrium of the move, so it feels like a gamble to me. And yes, this is enough for me for today as a video. I will post more charts later, as always, in the Telegram group, and a new video tomorrow, okay? Have a nice beginning of the week, everybody. Bye.